Assalamu alaikum. Topic of our video is toxoplasmosis. Toxoplasmosis is caused by a single-celled parasite called Toxoplasma gondii. It is most successful parasite in animal kingdom. It is a parasite of most warm-blooded animals, yours too. Leading cause of abortion in human. It is now estimated that about 2 billion people worldwide with foci of high prevalence in Latin America, Eastern Central Europe, the Middle East and Southeast Asia and Africa. About 30 to 50% of all cat and dog owners are exposed to toxoplasmosis. Toxoplasma gondii have two types of host, the definitive host and the intermediate host. The definitive host can only be from the cat family, but the intermediate host can be anyone from the warm-blooded animals. The cycle of transmission of toxoplasmosis is as the infected cat can spread the oocyst with its droppings in the environment, where the intermediate host, that is, a warm-blooded animal, will take it in and get infected. The intermediate host can also be a cat, and so the process comes to the full cycle. The offspring of intermediate host can also be infected during pregnancy or by their mother's milk. Human can ingest oocysts by ingesting unwashed vegetables, undercooked meat of the infected intermediate host, and the contact with the feces of infected cat. Toxoplasmosis is of two types in humans: acquired toxoplasmosis and the congenital toxoplasmosis. Acquired toxoplasmosis is mostly asymptomatic and can persist for the lifetime. It can be symptomatic for some cases. The symptoms include fever, fatigue, myalgia, headache, swollen lymph nodes, and congenital impacts. The congenital toxoplasmosis is passed from the infected mother to the fetus. Congenital toxoplasmosis include three states, which are collectively called CHI. The first one is the chorioretinitis, and the second one is the hydrocephalus, and the third one is the intracranial calcification. Generally, during pregnancy, women can get infection during any of three trimesters, but the infection during first trimester is most vulnerable. An expecting woman is not vulnerable unless her body encounters toxoplasmosis for the first time during pregnancy. If she had infection before, her body has developed antibodies against the infection. Toxoplasmosis can be detected by blood test of both cat and human. On the basis of presence of antibodies in the blood sample, toxoplasmosis can also be detected by staining and microscopy. The infected oocysts look like crescent shaped under the microscope after staining. The commonly used stains are giemsa stain and the silver stain. Toxoplasmosis can be avoided by eating thoroughly washed vegetables and avoiding undercooked meat and unpasteurized milk and milk products, and wearing gloves during gardening and clearing cat litter box. Disinfect cat litter box regularly and wash your hands after touching your cat and dog. Conclusion: it doesn't mean that cats should not be reared as pets. The fact is, cats during their total 10 to 15 years lifespan are only infective for 2 to 3 weeks. So it is safe to rear cat, but with proper hygiene and care.